Hello, McNair Scholars. Welcome to our Graduate Admissions Preparation Workshop. I am Dr. Cassandra Hawkins, your Program Director. Today is March 16th, 2026, and we are going to dive deep into how you can position yourself as a top-tier candidate for your dream graduate programs. Before we get into the technical details, I want you to take a second to center yourself on your goals. Think about your specific field of interest, one burning question you have about the process, and one dream school you're always wanted to attend. If you are watching this as a makeup session, please pause the video now and write down your dream school. You'll enter this into the verification form later. The competitive application. Applying to graduate school isn't just about filling out forms. It's about building a narrative. To be competitive, you must refine your personal statement, strategically choose your references, and most importantly, clearly present your academic and research experiences. What programs won't? What are admissions committees actually looking for? They want to see five main things: strong academic preparation, clear evidence of your potential as a researcher, defined career goals, glowing letters of recommendation, and a personal statement that actually says something meaningful. The personal statement. Your personal statement is your voice on the page. Don't just list what you've done. Instead, explain your research interests, connect your life experiences to your long-term goals, and show exactly how you fit with the specific faculty at that program. Above all, be authentic and keep it concise. Now let's talk about your references. You need faculty who know your work, not just your face. Prioritize research mentors or professors in your specific field. Ask them at least 4 to 6 weeks in advance. That is a critical tip. And provide them with your resume and a draft of your statement so they can see and write the best letter possible. Presenting your experience. When presenting your experience, focus on the so what. Highlight your research projects and presentations you've given and internships you've completed. Use numbers to quantify your achievements, whether it's the number of participants in a study or the hours spent in a lab. This demonstrates your analytical and writing skills. The competitive strategy. To pull this all together, start early. Do not send the same personal statement to every school. Tailor your materials to each specific program. Proofread everything twice, and then have someone else look at it. Your passion for your research area needs to shine through every page. I want you to think about three things right now. One strong experience you have, one reference you plan to ask, and one skill you want to highlight in your statement. In your Google form, I want you to list that one skill you just identified. This confirms you've made it through the core strategy portion of this workshop. My final advice is this: be intentional. Every part of your application should tell a piece of your unique story. Show the committee that you aren't just a student. You are a scholar ready for graduate level research. If you have any questions or need to schedule a one-on-one session, please reach out to us at mcnairhbcu@jsu.edu or call the program number at 601-979-6348. You can also visit jsums.edu/McNairHBCU for more resources. I look forward to seeing your applications take shape.